But I
Yung-
like what you said, that you allow yourselves to be vulnerable.
Yeah.
Kasi
So-
it's rare for guys eh. Pagka kunyari, mas open ka to your feelings, sasabihin, parang feminine.
No, yeah. I mean,
I mean, kami talaga yung sobrang vulnerable. Pinaka-vulnerable.
Pinaka-vulnerable.
Walang makakatalo. Walang makakatalo.
Lalaki pa rin.
Yung feelings namin, walang makakatalo sa feelings namin.
Iiyakan ba kayo? May
There
iyakan
was
Oo.
one episode na
Talaga ba?
With what topic?
Mother's Day.
May episode na Men Who Cry.
Yeah, well, that's another episode.
Tapos kasama namin si Vin. Tapos may moment na parang tinatry namin i-lighten up. So sabi, what's the smallest thing you cried at? Tapos naging sadder. Kasi parang,
napakinggan ko to. Yung naiyak si River dahil sa tumapo na pansit canton.
Yun yung saddest part ng buhay niya.
That's how you know I've lived a good life.
Saan ka nun?